Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you're receiving copyright strike coming from YouTube or any other company are providing this strike to you, and you are very much confident you are not violating any of guidelines of YouTube, or you are not copy content and provide your video. That time, make sure don't delete your YouTube video from the YT studio. If you delete, you are not eligible to restore the copyright claim. But if you don't delete this video because of you receive the copyright strike, so no need to delete this video in your YouTube channel. So how you can remove copyright strike if your content is authenticate? So look at this here. Personally, I'm receiving one email coming from the Canva company, and Canva company are explaining me you are violent or our policy. That's why they are sending me this email to remove content from the YT studio, my YouTube channel, and YouTube also sending me the same email, and with YouTube are restricted this video because of I am violence the guidelines as we YouTube are considering. But afterwards I am very much confident I am not ruling any kind of break because of Canva already say if you're student and professor you can get this subscription absolutely free. I just follow this instruction and make this video and publish on my YouTube channel. I am publishing this video in 24th of May. I am receiving the copyright strike on 5th of June, and I resolve this copyright strike the next day. My copyright strike is removed and video is restored. So meantime, which types of email I am sending them in this video, I will show it to you. First of all, I write one email to Canva company we are receiving this email address as YouTube are providing this email address. So accordingly, I copy this email address, send it to them email. I'm not doing any kind of violence of your guidelines. You already mentioning this is absolutely free for student and teacher. I follow this one and I explain in this video. If you watch this video, you can see which types of footage I am recorded in this video. First of all, they can consider my request, they recognize, and they take around 5 to 6 hours, and afterward they are thinking, okay, I'm not doing any kind of violence, so they release my copyright strike. Canva advocate are sending me this email. Same email, same times I sending to the copyright@youtube.com as well, because of they are mentioning the same email address in this email. So we can reclaim or recomplain of your video is not doing any kind of violence. So that condition I put it this and add this email as it is, copy and paste which email I am sending on Canva company. Same email I am sending on to copyright youtube.com as well. Both email are here, and this process is very much fast nowadays. I am very much confident definitely they restore my YouTube video and delete the copyright strike as well. Like I'm receiving this one 4th of May, and 6th of May my video is restored and again online. Just only I'm disturbing too much in 5 to 10 minutes, and after I'm thinking okay, my copyright strike is like a mistake of the company and YouTube as well. So I reclaim, they restore. Using those email you can restore very easily in your copyright strike. Most important parts, if you receiving the any types of copyright strike, so don't panic and don't delete your video. If you delete the video, YouTube can't restore or remove copyright strike. You need to spend again 90 days. But if you don't delete video and you are strong believe your content is not violence any kind of guidelines in YouTube, you can reclaim the YouTube. Again YouTube are thinking about this, and if it is worth it, so they can release or remove the strike. If it is not, they can continuously this strike available on your YouTube channel. But most of time if you reclaim your copyright strike and they are considering okay you are not doing any kind of violence, so your strike automatically remove and video can restore. But most of important parts here, you can consider yourself as well. You are really making this content is genuine, you are don't violate any kind of guidelines, so that time you can definitely apply and restore your YouTube video. This is the way you can very easily remove copyright strike in your YouTube channel. If you have any question related on copyright strike, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.